Welcome to my channel Elite Ncea. Today for Level 3 Calculus we're going to be looking at the quotient rule. First of all, a quotient is one function that's been divided by another, and you use the quotient rule to differentiate functions like these. As you can see in the formula, on the left hand side we see function f has been divided by function g. And to differentiate this, we need to carefully remember which function we denote as f and which function we denote as g. We're going to go over an example in the 2019 Calculus differentiation paper. I've already done a video on chain rule and question 1a and how to solve that in a different video, so please do go check that out if you're curious. We're going to be looking at question 1c today. It says, find the gradient of the tangent to the curve y equals 2x, e to the power of 2x over 1 plus x squared at the point where x equals 2. When it says gradient, we know that we must differentiate the equation given to us. And we can clearly see that that's a quotient because it's one function at the numerator divided by another denominator function. So now, using the quotient rule, which I've written here, we're going to take apart that function and write it in terms of function f and function g. So as we can see in the quotient rule, the numerator becomes function f and the denominator becomes function g. So here I've written the numerator, which is e to the power of 2x, as function f, and g, which is the denominator, as 1 plus x squared. Now, if you look at the quotient rule, we need to differentiate both function f and g. So I've gone and done that respectively. Function f is differentiated to 2e to the power of 2x, and function g is differentiated to 2x. So now all we need to do is put each part together. So if you want to differentiate that function given there, we multiply g by f dash, which becomes 1 plus x squared times 2e to the power of 2x minus f times g dash, which becomes minus e to the power of 2x times 2x, and the denominator just becomes g squared, which is 1 plus x squared times itself. To get the final answer right, all you need to do is plug x equals 2 into everywhere there is an x, and you should get your final answer, which is 13.1.